What's up guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're going to be doing the Morimoto headlight review. I've owned these headlights for about 2 weeks now, and a lot of people have been asking me about how do you like them, are there things you don't like about them, are they too bright, things like that. So today I'm going to be doing a full review of them, showing the headlights again. If you haven't checked out my video on the installation, I'll put it in the description right here. So today I'm going to be talking about the things I like about them, some things that I don't like about them, if you should buy them, and if they're ultimately worth the $1,150. Let's get to the video, guys. Comment question of the day is, what's your favorite wing flavor? My favorite wing flavor is garlic parmesan. So put down in the comments, what's your favorite wing flavor? And if you have a favorite place, go ahead and put that as well. Alright guys, so taking a look at the headlights, please excuse my poop stain right there. I haven't washed my car in a freaking minute. So this is what it looks like from the front end. Looks super aggressive. Just want to give you guys some different angles of it so you guys can see what it looks like with the car off. It is about 6:30 p.m. outside. Pretty cloudy here in Houston. You guys a little side view of it. So the housing is all black, which looks really good. There you go. Just take a look at the whole thing. So one cool feature that I really like is when you unlock your car, it has that little orange beam that comes up. Let's do it one time. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the daytime running lights on, with it on, with the left signal, right signal, the hazard lights. I'll show you guys all of that, and then I'm also going to show you guys what it all looks like at nighttime. So here's what the daytime running lights look like. There it is. So that's what it looks like with the daytime running lights on. So I do have a Nismo, so I do have these daytime running lights that run as well. But if you have a sport models, you guys will have those. But this is what it looks like. You have this LED strip that runs all the way across there. I think it looks really good. Daytime running lights, just driving around, it looks super aggressive from the front end. Here's the other side. Alright, so now let's take a look at what that looks like with the headlights on now. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with the headlights completely on during the daytime. As you can see, it's not super bright right now, but when I show you guys some night clips, you'll see how bright these truly are. This is the left signal, so you got the sequential signal going right there, and then you got this that lights up as well. So that is the left turn signal, right signal, and 3, 2, 1 now. So that's what the right one looks like. I love the sequential. Once again guys, if you haven't seen my video, you can make this sequential or like blinking. I personally think the sequential looks really good. So you've seen the left, you've seen the right, so let's look at it with the hazards on now. So this is what it looks like with the hazards on. You got both sequentials going at the same time. I personally think that looks super sick, guys. Look at that. And then you also have the Z lights on the side flashing as well. You can also do this, I believe, with the daytime running lights, so we're gonna go ahead and try that now. So this is what it looks like with the daytime running lights. You can see the two daytime running lights right there. The lights are off, and then those just start blinking. I don't know when you'd ever need to do this, but I guess it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so you saw what it looks like just there at a standstill. Left turn signal, right turn signal, hazard lights, everything. I'm going to do a couple drive-bys with the lights on, and then one with the daytime running lights, so you can see what it looks like approaching you. And then we're going to come back at night, and I'll show you guys all of it, what it looks like at night. And then I'll talk about it, review it at the very end so you guys can see.
Damn, is that Tome? I'm faster than you!
Alright, so that's what it looks like during the daytime. It's not super bright right now, but like I said, it's around the evening time. So we're going to do it again at night so you can see how bright these Morimotos really are. As promised, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at night. We are on top of my parking garage right now. There's still a little bit of light, but we're going to go downstairs and I'll do some flybys at the very end. So this is what the lights look like at night. They are extremely bright. As you can tell, the camera barely picks up the individual lights. So let's go close to it and take a look. 3 lights right there. Here's the 3 lights right here. Honestly, from a distance, it kind of looks all just like one blur and then one blur right there. But this is what it looks like at all angles driving at night. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's extremely bright. So now we're gonna look at the left signal. Alright, so now you can see the left signal at night. Now we're gonna look at the right signal. Let's look at the hazard lights. So both of them are gonna be flashing. There you go. Looks pretty sick. But once again, honestly, it looks like a superhero or a villain or something because how bright it is. But there you go. You can see both. Now, can we do high beams? There you go. So you can see you got a lot brighter. Go back to low beams. High beams. There you go. So that's what that looks like. All right. So that's what it looks like. Daytime running lights. I think that personally looks the best. So all these turned off. You have that strip going there. That going there, and you have that and that. I personally think this looks the best. That looks super, super sick. Now I want to show you guys what the POV looks like of the Morimoto headlights. So as you can see, I mean you can barely see it on camera, but that stop sign is like super lit up right now. Let's see if I can zoom in. So this is what the streets look like right now, super, super lit up. Stop sign super bright. I'm gonna go ahead and turn onto a dark road here so you can see how bright it really does get. So this is extremely dark road, and this is me turning on with my lights. And that's what it looks like, guys. It's super, super bright. This is with the high beams. Another dark road. Just for perspective, this is no lights. Morimoto lights, high beam. It's super, super bright, guys. But yeah, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this part. I'm gonna do just concluding thoughts and all. So thanks for joining us on Late Night Adventures with Stock Boys. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you guys my concluding thoughts and final impression of the Morimoto headlights. So overall, I love these lights. They are absolutely amazing. They make the car look a lot more aggressive, a lot more stunning. However, there are a couple cons. So the first one I want to talk about is there is a slight fitment issue. I'm not sure if this was user error on my installation, but right here there's a pretty big gap on fitment. I can fit almost my entire nail in there, but if you move over to the other side, you can see that there's no fitment issues. So I'm not sure when this happened or not, if it's my hood, but there is a slight fitment issue right there. And the other thing is sometimes right here water will leak into the top part, but it flushes out. I think there's just like a canister there, it flushes out, so that's not a big issue. But the other con that I have with these headlights is that they are too bright. So as you've seen in the video, the entire video, they are extremely bright, but guys, these headlights are a little too bright. Literally someone 2 days ago I was driving and they were in front of me and they said, dude, can you turn your high beams off? And I was like, those are my regular headlights. And I showed him my high beams, and so I felt really bad. I don't want to be that guy that just blinds everybody on the street. So they're a little too bright. But other than that, guys, I truly love these headlights. That's gonna go ahead and wrap up the Morimoto headlight review video. If you guys have any other questions about the headlights, installation, anything, please feel free to reach out to me via Instagram. Other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 93 likes. Comment down below the question of the day. Take care, stay safe. I'll see you guys next time with another one. My comment question of the day was, what's your favorite wing flavor, right? So if you made it this far, I know you're a real one. So what I really want you to do is comment down something that is totally out of the blue. So like peanut butter or bacon or something like that, so we can confuse the others. Thank you guys so much. Love you all.